Okay, so this alright, so I'm down to one now. Good afternoon, I'm Chris and welcome to my YouTube channel. I do drone and tech reviews. Today I'm trying something different instead of flying around my house. I wanted a taste of precision flying, so I set up two obstacles. I got these Newbee drone inflatable gates, basically donut balloons. Got it from Newbee drone, I think it's 3 for $14. The link is below. I set one up here and one down over there. So my goal is to, because of the way my yard is set up, my goal is to come up and over this or come around this thing, go through it, back over there, actually go around. I don't know if you can see it over there, the lemon tree, that's the individual tree that's sticking out there. Go back and go through that and kind of come through this little gap, and then again through here, up and over. That's the simple course that I'm looking at. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Tinyhawk 2 race, and I'm gonna take you around for the ride with the Go 2 on it. I'm gonna start with a really low angle. I think this is only 10 degrees, and I'm using a 650, so everything to be as heavy as I can be. Obviously, that's not what you want to do when you're racing, but it is when you want to learn your course. The reason why I'm only using 2 is because Maya on High, I asked how many do you need to start with, and she said just start with 2. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm sweating, there's bugs. Yeah, let's get flying. Okay, it's a lot harder than I thought. Let's try this again. Okay, so this alright, so I'm down to 1 now. I punctured it here. I'll try to use some Flex Seal to seal it. Yeah, maybe these traps are a little bit too sharp, and then these are meant for tiny whoops. Good thing it came at 3.
Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night, so I could dream about you tonight. Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up. Truth is, I just wanna
Looks like I got some cracks on my motor mounts here. Well, I guess that's enough racing for me today. Any tips about racing, leave a comment below. I just wanted to do this little short vlog, what I was doing in the backyard. Hit the like button below if you guys like this. Hit the subscribe, and then until next time, see you guys later. Fly safe, be safe. Mahalo plenty.